2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R, unleashing the power of American Supertrucks. In the realm of pickup trucks, the pursuit of sheer horsepower may seem like an indulgence. But this is the quintessence of America's automotive ethos in this land. Stepping into a Ford or Ram dealership grants you the privilege of driving off in a supertruck that embodies unadulterated power and audacious performance. Enter the Raptor R, a culmination of Ford's audacious ambition. It's akin to taking the potent Raptor and cranking it up to 11. Gone is the stock twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6, making way for a roaring supercharged 5.2-liter V8, reminiscent of the revered GT500, unfurling an awe-inspiring 700 horsepower and an astonishing 645 pounds-ft of torque. It's this phenomenal force that truly distinguishes the Raptor R, elevating it to a realm of its own. Stomp on the accelerator, and the cabin resonates with the symphony of the supercharger's whine. While this titanic truck catapults itself into a 60-mile-per-hour frenzy that rivals supercars. While Ford refrains from officially proclaiming the 0 to 60 miles per hour time for this beast, my unofficial yet intuitive assessment places it within the hallowed realm of low for seconds. Torque surges to its zenith at a gracious 4,000 to 150 revolutions per minute, furnishing the Raptor R with an extra surge of vigor as it propels off the line, a sensation even more pronounced when juxtaposed with the TRX, which musters its full torque at 4,800 revolutions per minute. Ford's adept 10-speed automatic transmission shifts with seamless grace, blending into the background. However, engage Baja mode and command the shifters for a sportier, more engaging experience, while the off-road suspension caters primarily to the untamed wilderness. It surprises with its composed demeanor in corners and stability at highway speeds. The 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain T-to tires contribute a symphony of road noise and offer a tenacious grip on pavement. It's an artful compromise, venturing off-road. The Raptor R reveals its prowess, dominating trails with unwavering prowess. It effortlessly skips over rocks, a dance orchestrated by the sturdy 37-inch tires and the specially tuned long-travel Fox Live valve shocks, purpose-built for the R model. However, this abundance of power comes at a premium, while the base Raptor commences at $78,770, accounting for the $1,995 destination fee. The commanding presence of the supercharged Ford F-150 Raptor R is priced at $109,145. Admittedly, the comparably equipped TRX touts a slightly lower price tag, while the entry-level Ram TRX beckons as a relative steal at $85,685. But if the heart craves the symphony of supercharged supremacy, the Raptor R stands resplendent in the universe of supertrucks. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor R emerges as a triumphant symphony of unapologetic might and undeniable allure. In this audacious exploration of power and performance, Ford crafts an automotive crescendo that leaves an indelible mark on the asphalt, a fitting homage to America's unwavering pursuit of automotive excellence.